Ever pondered over the secret to crafting the perfect chicken curry? That tantalizing aroma, the symphony of spices, the tender chunks of chicken, all mingling together in a rich, hearty sauce. Today, uncover the steps to create this culinary masterpiece. Start by gathering the freshest ingredients. A pound of boneless chicken, 2 large onions finely chopped, 3 ripe tomatoes pureed, a cup of yogurt, and a blend of aromatic spices. Remember, the magic of a perfect chicken curry lies in the quality of its ingredients. The first step involves marinating the chicken. In a bowl, mix the chicken with a cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of salt, and let it rest. This process tenderizes the chicken, infusing it with a depth of flavor that will sing in the final dish. While the chicken marinates, heat a generous swirl of oil in a heavy-bottomed pan. Add chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a golden brown. This is the base of the curry, and it's crucial to get this step right. The caramelized onions lend a sweet undertone that balances the heat of the spices. Next, introduce the spices to the pan. A teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. Stir until the spices coat the onions and their aroma fills the air. Now, pour in the pureed tomatoes and let the concoction simmer. The tomatoes add a tangy note, complementing the richness of the spices. Once the tomato mixture reduces to a thick sauce, it's time to add the marinated chicken. Stir it in, making sure each piece gets coated with the sauce. Cover the pan and let it cook on a low flame. The chicken slowly absorbs the flavors, transforming into tender, chicken curry. The perfect balance of heat, sweetness, and tang, a dish that warms the soul. To recap, marinate the chicken in yogurt and spices, caramelize onions in a pan, add the spice mix, stir in the tomato puree, and let it simmer. Add the marinated chicken, cover, and cook. Finish with a sprinkle of coriander. This method ensures a chicken curry that is flavorful, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. So the next time you crave a comforting meal, remember these steps and create a chicken curry that will not only satiate your hunger, but also soothe your soul. Enjoy the journey of